Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram story using Adobe Express. So first of all, you need to log in here. Then you can see this is a font site of this website. So Instagram is square post, player, Instagram story. So if I scroll, here are the list of things: YouTube thumbnail, web page, poster, TikTok video, and another one. So I select just Instagram story. Then here is the lots of 11,000 plus result. So I type this one, then wow, this is really awesome. So just click on go to download, then click on download menu. See if I'm going to another one, because this is a free, but lots of photo have a free option. So if you want to just replace its your name, just select this image, then type your branding name and anything here. I'm going to column and etc. You can change it, replace your photo. So just select this photo, then click on replace. Then you can coming on any photo, you can see I replace this image. Then if you want to replace background, this is possible, and anything are possible. Just go to download button, then click on download. I hope you are able to do this or perfectly. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.